Introduction to Physical Pharmacy. Physical pharmacy is the area in pharmacy that deal with physicochemical properties of compounds regarding quantitative and theoretical principles. These principles are applied in practice of pharmacy. Physical pharmacy generally matter can be categorized into gases, liquids, and solids. The fact that as the temperature rises, matter moves to a more active state. Things only move from one phase to another by physical means. If energy is added, like increasing temperature or increasing pressure, or if energy is taken away, like freezing or decreasing pressure, one can observe a physical change. State of matter. Based on particles arrangement, energy of particles, distance between particles, binding forces between molecules, a repulsive and attractive forces whenever two molecules are brought together. B-ion dipole and ion-induced dipole forces. These forces account for the solubility of ionic crystalline substances in water. These forces act between polar or nonpolar molecules and ions. Hydrogen bond. This type of bond exists between the molecules containing hydrogen atom and a strongly electronegative atoms like nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, bromine. The small hydrogen atom has positive charge, which accounts for the bond formation. Another type's PF bonds. Intramolecular forces. Ionic bond, transfer of electrons. Covalent bond, sharing of electrons. Molecular properties. These properties may be of three types. Additive properties. These involve the simple addition of the properties of individual molecules. B. Constitutive properties. These properties depend on the structural arrangement of atoms within the molecule. C. Additive constitutive properties. Some properties of the compounds depend both on number of individual atoms and the nature of attachment. Phase transition. A phase transition or phase change is the physical process of transition between one state of a medium and another. A phase of a thermodynamic system and the states of matter have uniform physical properties. During a phase transition of a given medium, certain properties of the medium change as a result of the change of external conditions, such as temperature or pressure. Phase change. Freezing. Change of a substance from liquid phase to solid. Melting. Change from solid phase to liquid. Vaporization. Change from liquid to gaseous form. Condensation. Change from gas to liquid form. Sublimation. Change from solid to a gas without becoming a liquid. Deposition. Change from gas to solid without becoming a liquid. Ionization. Change from a gas phase to plasma, ionized particles. Recombination. Change from plasma to gas. Energy and phase change. When a substance undergoes a phase transition, changes from one state of matter to another, it usually either takes up or releases energy. For example, when water evaporates, the increase in kinetic energy as the evaporating molecules escape the attractive forces of the liquid is reflected in a decrease in temperature. Practical work. Naphthalene is a chemical compound with a chemical formula C10H7, white in color with very low water solubility. Naphthalene undergo a state change at ADC from solid state to gas state by sublimation. Procedure. Take 1 ball of naphthalene and record its weight precisely. Put the naphthalene ball in glass beaker on hot plate at ADC. Weight the ball every 5 minutes and record. Draw the curve of change depending on the resulted data.